Do you sneeze or cough in your hands, elbow or tissue paper? When a person sneezes or coughs, hundreds of microdroplets containing contagious germs disperse into the air. These viruses can travel as far as 8 meters and stay suspended in the air for up to 10 minutes. These viruses infect humans through inhaling and contact. Genus introduces G99 Sneeze Safely handkerchief empowered with Swiss technology, rendering protection to user from viral infection, bacteria and other germs including coronavirus and SARS-CoV-2 causing COVID-19. It is an antivirus, anti-allergen product tested and proven effective at a reputed USA lab and prestigious Australian institute. It has silver ions and vesicles provide, which destroys viruses, bacteria and germs and coronavirus upon contact with the fabric. G99 handkerchief has quick dry technology to absorb all the moisture and sweat. It's far ahead of normal fabric handkerchief and paper napkins. G99 handkerchief is machine washable and reusable for up to 50 times for antiviral efficacy with the same effectiveness, environment-friendly and premium soft fabric. It's been tested and approved by independent labs of international repute. Genus G99 Antivirus Handkerchief, specially designed to protect you and your loved ones. Be sure, be safe.